Welcome to my channel, and to start with this Cupid look, we're gonna apply our foundation all over our face. I'm using the Face Master brush with some studio effect from MAC. And for my under eyes, I'm gonna be trying these new products from Becca Cosmetics. We have this gel primer that it's like a little gel, and we're applying it. It helps to depuff our under eyes. After this, you need to apply the concealer. And we said using our translucent powder. I'm also gonna use this Luxie Perfection set, which comes with a bunch of brushes, and I'm gonna use the powder all over my face. It's time for some red eyebrows, and for that I'm using this red lipstick from So Loved Makeup. And of course I'm gonna help myself with the liner brush to get perfect red eyebrows. I want a natural look for my eyes, so I'm gonna be using this palette from Pure Cosmetics. And I want to add some eyeliner. I'm using my favorite black eyeliner from England. I wanted a pop of color, so I decided to add some red under my eyes. And of course, beautiful dramatic eyelashes from Huda Beauty. I have these stickers with heart shape that I'm going to apply all over my face. And then I'm going to go over with the very hot pink blush. And now when you get the hearts out, you're gonna have something that looks like this. For the lips, I'm using the same red that I use on my eyebrows. And we do the other eye. We can't forget to add some highlight, and this is the final look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also check out my Cupid Goes Wrong tutorial. That includes some special effects techniques. And I will see you in my next tutorial.